Wow, see this gang stalker right here, purping with the red. It's 9:50 p.m. at night. I had just turned off the camera, and he was standing on the train tracks. And then when I tried to start filming and recording, the streetcar tracks. The streetcar tracks. He was standing on the streetcar tracks. And when I started trying to film and record, he hurried up and moved. Trying to make a mockery of the video of the car that was sitting on, the abandoned car that was sitting on the streetcar tracks with the trunk open the other night.